Hi, this is Carl Anderson along with Larry Carson at MarineMax Charleston here off Daniel Island. And today we're going to take you through a new 2021 Boston Whaler 350 Helm. We're starting off with a profile shot of the boat. This is the Abaco blue hull color. White rub rail with a stainless steel insert option. Really beautiful boat from Whaler. Chrome graphics as well on this model. So here in the cockpit on the 350 Helm, this boat is powered by triple 300 Verados from Mercury. These are the V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated motors. This is a joystick boat, so you've got the power steering, the joystick system, skyhook, autopilot, all integrated. Really large, expansive cockpit on the 350 Helm. We've got a stern seat that folds up really nicely and stows a ladder. And when it's deployed, huge seat, triple wide, really deep seat, nice high comfortable backrests. Also includes the canvas cover that you see here. Protects the upholstery and keeps it out of the elements and stows away nice and clean. We've got a live well on the port side here at the transom. Rod holders along the back. There is a designated entry door that you can close and lock with this handle here, and a freshwater sprayer as you enter. Really big, thick, heavy door, really impressive hardware from Whaler. We've got two fish boxes on either side. The port side box is larger than the other, but these are pump out boxes. You can also use these as coolers if you wanted to fill them full ice. While we're over here, we've also got a dive door, big heavy door with a ladder that inserts here and a stainless grab rail to make it easy to get in and out of the boat. But nice feature for when you're anchored and hanging out at the sandbar. Locks in really secure. The bilge access on this boat is enormous and is very impressive. Huge hatch here. Stores the generator, picnic table, access to all your strainers and pumps. Really easy to get to everything, easy to keep it clean and easy to access. Moving forward, we have a really versatile seat here as far as your cockpit entertaining space. So this mezzanine seat has an adjustable backrest to face either directions. You've got a teak boarding step right here that also stows away. There's access to a cooler box, so easy access to get a drink. And if I want to fill the cooler, I can open up this hatch right here. We've got another freshwater sprayer here. And just to the right of this seat, we've got a Corian countertop area that also contains our Kenyon electric grill. And then this serves as a counter area or a prep area. We've got fold-out storage beneath. Freshwater sink with a cutting board insert. 3 cup holders. Got teak boarding steps to get up to the hardtop or get into the boat from the starboard side.
What do we have up on top on the hardtop here?
Yep, Larry, so we have a powered sunshade. So with the push of a button, we can shade this entire cockpit area, extend it all the way out, and then likewise retract back in. There's LED spreader lights up into the hardtop. We've also got the weather curtain set for all of the canvas for cooler running days. You can also see that we have the matching blue gel coat on the underside of the hardtop, which really pops the boat's interior.
Adds a nice touch.
Weather curtain set to fully enclose the boat is already factory installed. So on your cooler running days, you can totally enclose this area, which is nice because this boat also has heat and AC.
Is that a couple? What is that? A couple of the vents right there?
Yeah, there's 2 vents right there for your passengers in the cockpit. This is a really unique space also. So this helm seat actually swivels to face your second row of passengers. So again, this backrest slides forward and aft, helm seat rotates, the bolsters adjust, the armrests adjust. I can insert a picnic table right here on this mount. Again, we've got the same setup with these teak boarding steps, so just a really comfortable area if you're doing any cocktailing or any dining. And then easily converts back for when you're underway. We'll move further forward here, but coming around the helm seat, before we get into the boat's electronics, we've also got a pull-out fridge, speakers and a subwoofer forward. There's 3 drawers of storage beneath the sink. And then forward here at the helm, we've got a nice wrapped steering wheel on a tilt base with a steering knob. We've got twin large screens from Marine that are all touchscreen, and you also have rocker switches for some of your other items. Fusion Bluetooth stereo is included. We've got digital start and stops. Again, the dynamic running surface for the trim tabs. Your joystick also includes autopilot and skyhook, of course, digital controls with the Mercuries. We've got 2 footrest options here. One for the driver, so this gives you great visibility for when you're standing. And then there's another step for your passenger. Makes it easier to get onto the portside observer seat here. We've got a recessed area with charging ports for devices, a compass, nice vinyl wrapped brow here. There's a powered vent and this really large glass windshield. Up here we've got a glove box compartment, settings for our active trim for the motor's trim position, Mercury vessel view screen for our engine data, Marine VHF, and this is a Seakeeper boat, so we've got our Seakeeper display. Seakeeper is a gyro stabilizing system that takes about 95% of the boat's pitch and roll out of the equation. We can head down into the cabin real quick. So we've got a nice settee area here that actually converts to a berth. This cushion just slides in, this backrest slides down, easily converts. There's also a TV forward. And then on the underside of this cover is actually a skylight. So we can get some more natural light in here. Here we've got a wet head teak seat that has a magnetic catch to raise and get out of the way. Porcelain toilet, vacuum flush toilet with its own holding tank, freshwater sink, shower wand, and then there's actually storage behind this curtain. We just currently have some canvas items stowed away there. And then a full-size mirror as well, built into the door. We'll head up front to the bow.
Guys, we have a bunch of the canvas in place on this boat, trying to protect it from the elements. So
we've got a triple wide lounge seat here. That is a fantastic area for all of your guests. We've got armrests that fold down that have cup holders built into them, but a huge lounge space here, tons of lounge room, cup holders on both sides. Beneath this filler cushion here, this is actually a table, a teak table that's powered, so it raises and lowers. Here it's in the down position with the filler on top. Now we've got this fully cushioned out. There's also 3 cushions that go up here in the bow. They were currently stowed in the cabin. Here's the button for the powered table along with a remote for your stereo. Again, canvas for all the upholstery up here. We've got a storage locker here that currently has the shore power cords. Large windshield wiper. Boat has a spotlight on the hardtop, radar as well, along with outriggers. Up front, we've also got a windlass anchor that's remote controlled up here at the bow, in addition to the controls you have at the helm. Really large recessed cleats. We've got rod holders, so this area is ready for a bow sunshade kit.
And I believe this boat actually comes with the bow sunshade. I believe we actually ordered it as part of the package with this boat. So you can pretty much shade the entire boat.
And that's a look at our 350 Realm from Boston Whaler. Again, I'm Carl Anderson along with Larry Carson at MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.